Well, so we are here in France, in Saint-Gervais, and soon we are going to the mountain and we will enjoy our weekend while visiting this place.
Ah, c'est la gare.
We're going there. That's the train station of Saint-Gervais.
Gare routière. That's really a thing that I don't know. King. Juste des places bleues, ça va pas. Hein?
That's the place where we're going to ride the telepheric.
They have no parking here. Really, yeah, it's really bad. Là, ici, another truc. C'est bien. See? Yeah, they changed all of this. You could build this and then parking, not so much anymore. I will just go, or what? So, no here.
Guys, we are here. We got our ticket going to the mountain and we are going to ride this telepheric. See that? We are now going. Then we are going down first and discover. This is the old part.
On va juste faire l'aller-retour.
So guys, we are here. Sasakay tayo ng ganyan, tapos pupunta tayo ng bundok. Ganyan yung sa loob niya. Dito tayo sasakay.
And you'll just... Red is a button. Okay, tu montes.
It's okay, it's function.
No.
To ride.
No, this here.
Here. You're here now. And makikita natin doon sa labas. Okay guys, we are here now in the telepheric of Saint-Gervais. Now, we are in the second station and we are going down and then show you the first station and coming back again here and going back in the Alps mountain. See you later. That's the city or the village of Saint-Gervais and we are here in the telepheric.
Yeah, it's very high, huh?
Yes.
Very high, des piliers très, très élevés là.
We're going to ride again and then we ride in this second one. This is the first station. We go down the first station and then we go up. That's the first station we went and then going to the second station again and then we go up again and then in our destination to the mountain. The second station, then here's the second station. Here we are going. Here. Okay, this is the second station and we're going up. So we're going to the second station, going to the mountain. And
but in fact,
it's a snowy down.
They also renovated a bit this one, no? I think. Ouais, ils ont tout changé là. Là, il manque des places aussi de parking. They should put these again because they were missing. Ça, c'est les parkings. Okay, les parkings.
Yeah, it's nice here because we can see it clearly.
So you're happy with your new phone?
Yes. So guys, you see how beautiful down here. And then you see all the houses and the telecabin station, the second station. Ganito dito guys, pag winter, daming mga tao pupunta sa bundok para mag-ski. Ayan, nasa taas tayo ng telecabin, tapos ipapakita ko lang sa inyo yung sa baba niya. Hindi makapalang snow ngayon kasi.
My fingers.
It's cold.
Yes, but it's okay.
Ayan. Yung bahay na yan, maganda siya. Yan. So, i-upload ko yun mamaya. Ipapakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. Nakikita ninyo yung puti. Lahat puti. So guys, nakita ninyo yan. Andito na tayo sa taas. So, hindi siya madaming tao ngayon. Konti lang. So, ayun. Hindi siya masyado clear. Tignan ninyo yan, guys. Yung mga puno. Nasa taas tayo ng mountain ngayon. So, tignan ninyo yung bahay dito, guys. Hindi na clear kasi foggy tapos snowy. Yan. So, malapit na tayo.
All these years. Stop. Take this first one, second one.
Tignan niyo yung bahay doon. Puno na ng snow. Yan. Yan tinatawag nilang chalet house. Made of wood. Tignan niyo guys. Ang ganda, diba? So, dito tayo sa telecabin. Sa taas ng telecabin. While filming sa baba. Ayun, dito din sa side na to, madaming snow. Ayan ang mga sasakyan, mga bahay.
Ici, c'est la même chose qu'avant, ça n'a pas changé, je pense.
So, we are going down here. This is the third station.
Voilà. Ah, this one.
And we are here in the third station, guys. Bababa tayo dito. Sasakyan naman tayo ulit. Tignan ninyo guys, kaano kaganda. Ayan.
This one, they didn't change this one.
Aha. So, pupunta na tayo sa third station. Sa last station. Ayan, madami nag-i-ski ngayon. So, sa last station na tayo. Dito yung last station. Sa maliit na telecabin. Dito na tayo sa last station. Ayan ang last station. Okay.
Voilà.
So, dito na tayo sa last station.
Le matin?
Yan ang last station, guys. Dami nag-i-ski sa baba. Ayun doon.
And here you have some cabins with a seat and some don't. This one has a seat. One over two has a seat.
Moi, je sais pas si je laisse mes couteaux.
Ouais, mais moi, c'est que quand je l'ai.
Ayan, daming tao nag-i-ski ngayon. Makikita natin dito sa taas.
Ça va, la neige est bonne?
Oui, super. Génial. Oui, il est
Déjà pas mal. Ouais. Plus la visibilité, elle est pas très bonne là en vue.
Ayan.
Non. C'est beau les installations.
So, yun guys, dito, maganda din, daming puno. Makikita ninyo yung puno, naka-ano na siya, daming snow. Ayan. Madumi yung screen natin dito kasi yung sa parang gas-gas. Ito, gas-gas siya. Ayan, nakikita natin.
There, we can have a coffee or something.
Yeah.
Or to meet up and then go walk around.
Okay. So, ayun, nakikita natin dito yung view.
Je redescends? Non, on passe comme ce matin, on descend en bas.
Malamig siya actually.
Je regarde.
Oui, je sais pas.
Ouais.
So, ayun.
On va prendre le Montjou là.
Ito yung dalawang taong ito nag-iski sila.
Après on revient par ici si on veut encore aller là. On peut faire un centre plus.
Ah, there's someone there.